Hey guys, it's Luke the Disney guy here again, coming to you from my living room. Now this is only my living room for a short period of time. I know I haven't posted in a long time. Things have been going a bit crazy, as I'm sure things have been going crazy for everyone. We're gonna be moving from Southern California back to Sacramento, and we'll be able to calm down quite a lot, and new episodes will be coming, so get excited for that. We're gonna be continuing on with Gravity Falls, not going to be continuing on with DuckTales for the time being, just because there's a lot on my plate and I want to be able to actually reliably make content again. But we're still gonna be doing movies from time to time and other fun things, so get ready for that. New episode will be dropping April 22nd, 1 month from now. I know it's a long time, but we have a lot of stuff still going on. I haven't forgotten about you guys. Be sure to like, subscribe, and put the bell notification on just to make sure that you are notified when that new video drops and when they start dropping subsequently every week after. In the meantime, here's a tutorial I did on how to make a peanut butter mayonnaise and pickle sandwich.
I'm going to be making one of my favorite sandwiches. It's peanut butter, pickle, and mayonnaise. You get your bread, you get it toasted, and you get some mayonnaise. You spread it on. Okay. Part of the reason you want it toasted is because when you get the peanut butter, it helps. Oh. Peanut butter spread. You want to be really liberal with the peanut butter. Now, this is smooth peanut butter, so it's not going to be as delicious as it should be. You want, ideally, really crunchy peanut butter. It's not being cooperative. Yeah, just a whole mess of peanut butter is ideal. Okay. And now I just add the pickles. Because this is a freshly sliced one, they're all a little different sizes. If you just get sliced pickles, pre-sliced pickles, that works too. And then they're usually a lot bigger. The sandwich cut, sliced dill, the long ways one, work best. There you go. Peanut butter, mayonnaise, and a little pickle sandwich. Super tasty.